Yo, 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 what is going on, guys? Welcome to the video. I hope you're all having a great day so far. In today's video, we're going to be reacting to mysterious objects in space that scientists can't explain. So it's another space video. You guys know I love friggin' space. If you do enjoy the video and the reaction, all that good stuff, drop a like, hit sub, pop in the comments any other videos that you guys would want me to react to. And yeah, let's jump into the video. Let's get it.
Since the discovery of the telescope, astronomers have made huge steps into understanding the origin of the known cosmos. However, even after so many years, we're finding things in deep space that no one has seen before.
So cool. God, I love space. I
On
get so
June
excited.
26, 2020, something mysterious occurred when 4 strange objects were identified by the radio telescope Australian Square Kilometre Array Pathfinder.
Okay.
These seem unlike any other astronomical objects ever seen before and ignited a spark of interest in the astronomical and space community.
Aliens,
The first 3
100%.
objects were spotted
No
in the
doubt.
depths of space using a pilot survey of a new project called the Evolutionary Map of the Universe.
God, space is
While
so
the 4th
crazy.
object was retrieved in archival data which were collected by the giant meter wave radio telescope in India and helped to
Retrieved?
confirm that the first 3 are not just lens anomalies. The object's
damn.
distance from our solar system is still unknown, but one thing is certain: they're not located in the Milky Way's galactic neighborhood. Each object was calculated
outside
at
the
around
Milky Way.
1 arc-minute
How can we
across,
even see
keeping
that
in mind
shit,
that,
man?
as seen from Earth, the Sun and Moon both have angular diameters of about 30 arc-minutes. The 4 unidentified objects are highly circular and with bright edges and look like distant
Oh my
ring-shaped
God.
islands. Because of their strange shape and peculiarity,
This
they
is
were
just a
characterized
UO
as
instead
odd
of a
radio
UFO.
circles, or
Just a UO.
ORCs for short. It seems that ORCs might have different origins. All of them were visible in radio wavelengths, but completely undetectable in visible light, infrared light, and X-ray light.
What?
2 of them have galaxies at their center, which means that they might have been formed by them, while 2 of the ORCs might have some kind of interconnection, or even the same origin, since they seem to be in close vicinity. There are several possible explanations of what those ORCs
bet there's more
might
than
be,
several
but none of them seem
explanations,
to
bro.
fit perfectly the object's
probably millions.
specifications and characteristics. The astronomers already ruled out a description for those ORCs objects like supernovae remnants, planetary nebulas, circumstellar shells, star-forming galaxies, or even the possibility of gravitational lensing. But the EMU survey is just beginning, and astronomers expect it to reveal more unusual objects.
Gravitational lensing. What the hell is that? Is that like where gravity distorts the lens of a telescope somehow? That sounds really, really interesting. I'm going to have to look that up later. Because I know you can get, gravity can distort light. So say, for example, if a star was over, like we're here, a star was here. There could be like a planet, like here, and the light from that star gets shone, and the gravity basically bends the light and sends it in a different direction. So it looks like from one star, we're seeing 2 different stars, but it's actually just a single star's light. So it could be something like that. Well, I'm not too
Objects
sure.
as the time goes by.
I am not too sure.
Speaking of strange space objects and unsolved mysteries,
cool?
we don't need to go very far to find a celestial body to draw the astronomers' attention. If we look inside our very own solar system backyard, we will find Homeo, a dwarf planet which is found in the Kuiper Belt beyond Neptune's orbit. Why is it a strange planet, you're asking? Well, a day in Homeo lasts only 4 Earth hours, making it the fastest rotating large object of our solar system.
Oh shit!
Actually, it's rotating so fast that scientists argue that probably this is one of the reasons for Homeo's weird shape. This planet is not spherical, as you would expect any planet that respects itself to be, but instead looks a bit more like a football, since it's more or less twice as long in one direction.
This guy's fucking
This
planet
is not
shaming.
spherical.
Dude, it's 2021. You can't planet shame anymore, dude. God damn.
As you would expect any planet that respects itself to be, but instead looks a bit more like a football, since it's more or less twice
Shots
as long
fired,
in one
dude.
direction
Shots fired.
as it is in the other. Haumea is 10 times smaller than Earth, with a radius of about 385 miles, and has 2 moons, Namaka
It's got 2
and
moons?
Hyaka. Due to its distance
Namaka
from
and
the Sun,
Hyaka.
almost 43 times Earth's distance from it, one
Wow.
orbital period is approximately 282 Earth years.
Wow.
A recent discovery made
That's
Homeo
insane.
an even more interesting space object. It appears that this Hobbit-sized planet's equator
Hobbit!
is encircled by a 43-mile wide
Confirmed.
ring of debris, located about 620 miles from its surface. This
It's where the hobbits are from, chat. This is where the hobbits are from. We finally know, dude. We finally
20
know.
miles from its surface. This discovery, in combination with Homeo's unusual features and the trajectories of several Kuiper Belt free-roaming objects, gave the astronomers a very good indication of what happened with this dwarf planet. According to a mathematical model, it looks like that a large Kuiper Belt object smacked at some point the younger and larger Homeo. The dwarf planet's ring and moons seem to be fragments of that collision, which also
Yeah,
seems responsible
makes
for its
sense.
fast-paced rotation. This is still a theory regarding Homeo's, but seems to fit the bill very closely.
Nice. That's a cool little object, little football we've got in the Kuiper Belt. Rogue planet. That looks like Jupiter.
If we go a bit further, just a mere 20 light-years away from us, we can find the planet SIMP-0136 on the constellation of Pisces.
Did he
This
just say
planet has given the
SIMP?
scientists SIMP-0136.
Planet Simp. Planet Simp, baby. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. I don't even think you can say that on Twitch anymore. This is where all the simps need to go, or this is where maybe all the simps are from. Recently, they finally made it to Earth.
On the constellation of Pisces.
Planet Simp.
This planet has given the scientists a good head-scratching,
Oh,
since
God.
it was discovered to have such a strong magnetic field that in an imaginary arm wrestling competition with Jupiter, SIMP-013 would win as if it was wrestling against an ant.
Dude, that's
You see,
so
It has
crazy.
a magnetic field more than 200 times stronger than Jupiter's, which, as a reference point, has 16 to 54 times stronger magnetic field than the Earth.
Wow.
The planet forms the most spectacular auras, and astronomers don't really know the reason behind this, but hopefully we'll know in the near future.
Hopefully.
Furthermore, this planet is of even greater interest to the
It would beat
scientists
Jupiter in an
because
arm
it's
wrestle.
exactly
It's
at the
impressive.
boundary between a planet and a brown dwarf, or as it's also called, a failed star. This characterization means that this planet is quite large, at about 12.7 times the mass of our solar system's biggest
Whoa.
planet, Jupiter, but not quite large to fuse hydrogen in the way stars do.
Dude, that's crazy. So it's literally nearly a star. This is so nearly turned itself into a star. It just needs a little bit more mass and gravity to finally. I can't remember what did he just say?
Jupiter, but not quite large to fuse hydrogen
Fuse
in the way
hydrogen.
stars do.
Yeah, that's what
Under
it is.
further investigation, it was discovered
that's
that
crazy.
SIMP-0136 is actually a youngster brown dwarf of only 200 million years of age and is traveling the cosmos on its own without an orbit around a star.
That's
The
so
scientists
crazy.
hope that SIMP-0136 will give them answers regarding the magnetic dynamo mechanisms of planets beyond our solar system, and that with the help
So
of their
crazy.
radio telescopes, they'll discover more planets with such distinctive auras.
Humanity's only really just started, like, our space journey. Do you know what I mean? It's so crazy. Like, the amount of stuff we're finding out every single year is just mind-blowing. It's so crazy, dude. I love it so much. Dark matter.
One of the greatest problems in cosmology is that of dark matter. Well, this has nothing to do with black particles or any sinister type of material that destroys celestial objects. Dark
Sinister.
matter, or as we initially called missing matter,
matter.
is a type of material that cannot absorb, reflect, or emit light and cannot be detected by observing electromagnetic radiation. This means that it's extremely difficult to detect, and astronomers can only identify it by observing the gravitational effects that it has on other visible objects.
Wow.
One of the leading theories is that dark matter is made up of some new kind of subatomic particle that we haven't discovered yet.
It's not
Even
new.
though undetectable, dark
been
matter
around
is
for a lot longer
extremely
than us.
essential, since it acts as the glue that keeps the visible matter of all known galaxies together. Astronomers estimate that dark matter accounts for 85% of the matter in the universe, and
Wow.
about 25% of its total mass energy density. This is a lot,
Whoa, that's
and it means
crazy.
that dark matter exists almost everywhere. Keep that thought for a second. In 2018,
There's
a
dark
team
matter
of
in here,
astronomers
dude.
announced
Oh,
that
shit.
they've discovered the first known galaxy which contained an amazingly low amount of dark matter, almost zero. Its
Whoa.
name, NGC 1052 DF2, or the more convenient DF2. This
DF2.
10 billion years old galaxy is 6.5 million light years away from our solar system and is more or less the same size as our Milky Way, but contains 200 times fewer stars.
Wow.
Because of that, DF2 is classified as an ultra-diffuse galaxy, meaning it has low luminosity and detectability. How did the scientists find out that DF2 has very little levels of dark matter? Well, we said that dark matter affects the movement of planets and other celestial objects. We know it's there because without it, there's no way of explaining the trajectories and velocities of planets and stars.
So crazy,
This
dude.
did not seem to be the case with DF2, and several star clusters inside it are moving at speeds in line with only the mass of the observable normal matter. After close inspection, it seems that DF2 contains at best 1/400th the amount of dark matter that astronomers had expected it to have.
That's crazy.
One other reason that
I wonder what
constituted
effects it
DF2
has.
as an oddball galaxy is its shape. It doesn't have a noticeable central region or any of the characteristics of a spiral galaxy such as spiral
Just random
arms
planets
or a disk.
everywhere.
It doesn't look like an elliptical galaxy either, and
And
there's no
stars.
evidence that DF2 has a central black hole, just a stellar halo and several globular clusters.
So
Everything
crazy.
about this galaxy seems strange and cannot be explained by any of the modern theories. The same team of astronomers quickly discovered another galaxy that shares the same bizarre nature in terms of low
God, I love this
concentration
stuff,
in
man.
dark matter.
My brain is just like considering all the possibilities. Whenever I see stars in general, I always imagine if there's another life form that's looked up, not from Earth, from a different place, that's looked up at that same star or that same light, or even that light is its sun, you know? And I think we must have. Out of all these stars that we see, must be other beings in the universe that have also looked at these stars from different places, through different, maybe not even through eyes, through something completely different. They've looked at it. Oh man, God damn it, space.
With the name NGC 1052 DF4, or DF4 for short.
Nice.
Every galaxy we knew about before has dark matter, so you understand that these kinds of discoveries are a breakthrough that might help us understand the way dark matter-less galaxies work and get a firmer grip of the mysteries of the cosmos.
Nice. Living fossil galaxy.
In 2018, a dwarf galaxy nicknamed Bedin 1 was discovered in our Milky Way's space backyard, just 30 million light years away from our doorstep.
Ooh, long time ago in a galaxy far, far away, there sat Kenobi.
Hello there.
As a reference point, the whole observable universe is a humongous 93 billion light years across.
That's
so
too
you
many light
understand
years.
that this is extremely close to us. Bedin 1 is characterized as a dwarf spheroidal galaxy because of its
This is
small
a screensaver
size,
right
low
here,
luminosity,
100%.
lack of dust, and its old stellar populations. However, this newly found galaxy is special in so many ways. First of all, it's tiny, just 3,000 light years from side to side. In order to grasp how small this is, think that the Milky Way's famous spiral disk has a diameter of 100,000 light years.
Wow, okay.
Furthermore, Bedin 1
It's very
is approximately 2 million light years away from any other bigger galaxy, which makes it the most isolated dwarf galaxy known to man.
Wow.
Lonely isn't a bad thing in the universe. It
True.
means that the dwarf
You don't
galaxy
get
hasn't
fucked up
had
by
any
everything.
interactions with other galaxies. But the most important is that Bedin 1 is calculated to be as old as the universe itself, more or less 13 billion years of age. And due to its isolation from
How
any
is
other
that
galaxy, Bedin 1 is the equivalent of a living fossil from the early days of the universe. Who knows how many secrets this grandpa of a galaxy hides from us? Only time will tell.
It's fucking
When it
Dead
comes to
Space,
deep
dude.
space unanswered mysteries, one thing is
Dude, that's crazy, man. They said they think it's the same as they think it's the same age as the actual universe. Like, how would that even be possible? Surely if it was created at the same time as the Big Bang and the universe is constantly expanding, this particular part of the universe would be way further out than where it is. And I mean, unless some weird space stuff went on, which it probably did. And also, the Big Bang probably, I know that's what they all think, but they still have no real evidence that, or like any confirmation that that actually is why. They think that's what happened so far.
how many
'Cause that's the
secrets this
furthest we can see.
grandpa of a galaxy hides from us. Only
Grandpa
time will
of a
tell.
galaxy.
When it comes to deep space unanswered mysteries, one thing is for sure. We still have many spectacular things and objects to discover.
Yeah, we do.
Now a quick question for you dear viewers. Now that
Oh.
you've seen some of the most strange celestial objects known to man, what do you think is lurking out there waiting for our astronomers to discover? Let us know in the comments.
What do I
And
think,
if you enjoyed the
dudes?
video,
I don't
give
think
us a
there's
like, subscribe,
enough
and
comments.
turn on the notifications to be the first to know when a new video arrives.
Pogaroonies, dudes. Big old like from me, dude. Big old like. You've already got my sub. Guys, make sure to go check out this Destiny channel. It's fucking fantastic. It's fucking fantastic, dude. But yeah, everyone, thanks for watching another video with me. I appreciate you guys. We're now going to be, I was just about to say we're not going live, dude. I was saying the wrong thing. If you did enjoy, drop a like, hit sub, all that good stuff. Let me know if there's any other videos you want me to react to. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video.
Goodbye, old friend. May the force be with you.
Peace out, dudes. Laters.